Hi, this is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today I want to talk about my favorite momentum stocks that I'm trading these days. I've been getting a lot of questions about this. But before I begin, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more updates like this on which stocks I'm trading, especially rocket stocks, momentum stocks, as well as some of my long-term holds. So today we're going to begin with kind of an unusual one that I just bought the breakout on, Boot Barn, obviously a retailer. This has been trading in a range and is just recently breaking out. You can see it's breaking out above the key $32 level. So a lot of these, some are long-term holdings, some I'll be swing trading using the 50-day moving average as a trailing stop. So if a close below the 50-day moving average, I would stop out. Again, this is just what I'm trading. This is not a trade recommendation. Some of these stocks are risky, some are volatile, but a lot of them also have really big potential payouts. So that first one is Boot Barn Holdings, BOOT. And then a couple other interesting ones that I've been trading. Planet Fitness, PLNT, just been in a very, very strong trend. And especially if we can see a new closing high here, this one could really run in this market. So that's PLNT. Likewise, LendingTree, well-known company breaking out here above the key $400 level. It looks like it's really set for a run here. So that's another one I like. Then sort of turning to tech, we have this basket of stocks that we've been talking about for a while that I've been sort of in and out of. Okta, OKTA, Coop, COUP, and Twilio, TWLO. One can trade a basket of these. Twilio, for example, is kind of undergoing some sideways consolidation here. Would be a really strong buy on a breakout. Another interesting one, online advertising marketplace, the Trade Desk, TTD. And then the cybersecurity companies, which we've been talking about for a while. I still really like Zscaler, ZS, and CYBR, CyberArk. This one I'd be more interested in on a strong close above the 135 level. And I have a basket of sort of long-term holdings, restaurant stocks that are quite interesting. Chipotle is a obviously strong brand. Starbucks and McDonald's. They're all a bit overextended here or trading sideways. I still think they're just amazing long-term holdings. Another one I like, a medical devices company, Viva Systems. This is actually one of the stronger ones, VEEV. And then finally, I wanted to finish with a interesting one, biotech company. I don't normally look at biotechs a whole lot. This one caught my attention as it's hitting new highs here, and it's breaking out on what looks like bad news if you read about it. Sanofi is deserting them, cutting off a deal that they were going to do. Voyager Therapeutics, VYGR, it's a gene therapy company, and this would appear to be bad news from the way it's being covered, but the stock actually really likes this news, breaking out to new highs here. This is something that's off everyone's radar. I don't think it's a very crowded trade, and obviously these biotechs are very speculative, so it could be this is a risky play. But I think it's got an amazing chart. Looks like it's breaking out here to new levels, sort of a stealth rally. So those are my favorite stocks right now. Some of them are long-term holdings, as I said. Some I'm in and out of. The only problem with summer trading can be a bit choppy and volatile. But I'm seeing there's a lot of bearishness, especially emails I've been receiving, etc., which makes me think that maybe people are a bit underinvested. So these are interesting stocks, and also still getting a lot of emails and messages about Tesla. It's definitely had a big bounce here, and tested the 50-day moving average level here. I believe this is just a short squeeze, And this is, if you look at stocks like Enron and Lehman Brothers, which eventually went to zero, very similar charts where they'll have these very, very violent snapback rallies on short covering. But anyway, I have lots of people in Tesla. I can't imagine why you would own a stock like Tesla in a strong downtrend when there are all these amazing companies with strong brands, which with much better business models that are trading at new 52-week highs or new all-time highs. So that's what I'm looking at. If you'd like to stay updated with what I'm trading, what I'm investing in, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks a lot for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.